My name is Mike Clover.
And I'm Bailey Chamberlain. And this is Dirk, Mike's dog. We're all part of the Homewood Mortgage team.
We are here today to talk about construction loans. Bailey, what is a construction loan?
A construction loan is really short-term financing, typically 6 to 12 months, where you pay only the interest on the home that you're building. Now, we have two really great products that tailor to just about any need out there. Mike, can you go over those two products and let us know what the differences are?
Absolutely. We have two great products. Everybody's got a different situation. Our first product lets you borrow 80% of the value of your project. So in the very beginning, you're going to give us your plans and specs. We're going to do what is called a preliminary appraisal, and based on that value, you can borrow 80% on that appraisal that comes in. So, and plus, that particular product we can do anywhere in the state of Texas. It's not limited to certain areas. So no matter where you're at, we can provide a construction loan with that product. The second product is a loan that allows you to borrow up to 90% on an exception basis of the appraised value, as long as you already own your land. If not, you can only borrow up to 85% of the cost of construction. And that product is limited to the DFW area, Austin, and San Antonio.
Right, very true. Now, one of the biggest questions that I get is, can you guys do both the construction and the final loan? And the answer is yes, we do both the construction and final loan for you. We're a one-stop banker, and how that really benefits you is that you don't have to go and continue sending documents to the, that you've already sent to people. You don't have to keep re-explaining your situation. You're going to work with me if you start with me the whole way through, from the construction loan to the final loan.
Well, what makes us unique about our construction loans is we've got the whole process streamlined. We have relationships in place with Chicago Title. So after you close on your construction loan, for the final loan, we get you what is called an R18 credit on your lender title policy. So it really saves you a lot of money with the whole entire process. And because we do so many statewide and we have the whole thing streamlined, it really makes the process easy, because we hear complaints all the time out there about how difficult it is to get a construction loan in the state of Texas. So basically what you do with us is you do an application at mikeclover.com, get over the needs list, and Bailey, what else do we need in conjunction with that needs list?
We're going to need your plans and specs, builder's budget, survey, and contract. And once we have those 4 documents, we're going to go ahead and order your preliminary appraisal, which is an appraisal that is based off of your plans and specs during the current market value. Once we have those documents, you're typically looking at about 45 days. Now, I'm going to be honest, there are some people out there that say that they can do it in 30 days, and that's great, but it doesn't necessarily do you any good to only be approved for the construction loan. What we really want to focus on is making sure that this is going to be a smooth process, that you're not going to be stressed out. We're not going to have very many bumps in the road. So we get the final approval first and then the construction approval, and that allows us to make sure that everything goes very smooth.
So check us out at www.mikeclover.com or give us a call at 1-800-223-7409.
And visit us at Facebook and
on
like us
Twitter.
on Twitter.
Thank you.